Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin and the burning of Terra Classic Coin. Last year, within the space of 3 months, Terra Classic was able to burn 37 billion coins of LUNC coins. Now, Terra Classic, according to predictions, we believe this coin is going to burn a lot. Now, this coin is expected to burn 3 trillion within the next 36 months. In the next 36 months, Terra Classic can burn 3 trillion coins. At the time of recording this, we still have about, according to coinmarketcap.com, about 6 trillion coins. Okay, so that is to say burning 50%, burning half of Terra Classic coin. That should be 3 trillion coins in the next 36 months. 36 months should be 2026. Okay, within 2025, 2026. Now I believe that it is possible to even burn the coin for the end of this year, but if the developers, if the founders will accept to burn the remaining supply or burn 80% of the remaining supply, we can start from there. It is going to be amazing. But I think the 1.2% tax burn is being scheduled, is being created in order to help the burning of Terra Classic, but yet this is not even working. This is almost 8 months. Almost 8 months, the 1.2% tax burn was actually planned, and this is about 5 months it was launched. 4 or 5 months it was launched. Since it was launched, 1.2% tax burn have not even burned up to 500 million coins. Okay, this is what is really going on is what I don't know, because so many people believe that the 1.2% tax burn is capable of burning 10 billion, 70 billion coins in a single day. And people are saying that by the time Terra Classic will be left with just 10 billion coins, then the 1.2% tax burn will stop. And of course, people are rushing buying coins. Everybody were believing this coin is about to rise. This coin is going to hit 1 cent before December 2022, and we are still matching almost at the same spots. I think what is really causing this is because many exchanges have listed this coin. People love Terra Classic, but how many of them are burning? Only Binance are burning right now. And you can talk about Binance burning over 25 to 30 billion coins. So if Binance alone can burn up to that, it simply means if you can get all 90% at least of crypto exchanges that have listed this coin to start burning, we can burn up to 200, 300 billion coins in 3 months. In 1 year, we are talking about 1.5 trillion coins. So in the next 2-3 years, Terra Classic can burn over 3 trillion coins. And that is first. Secondly, they need Coinbase, they need Robinhood, and they need Binance US to list this coin. I'm very certain that Binance US will be listing this coin. Of course, Binance founder CZ is fully supporting this coin. Okay, some people always mistake him, thinking he's the founder of Terra Classic. So I'm very certain that Binance US will be listing this coin. But what about Robinhood? What about Coinbase? Coinbase listed this coin as of before, but last year after the crash, that was in April-May 2022, when Terra Classic crashed all the way from $115, $130 per coin down to 0.0000. A lot of people lost a lot of money. So Coinbase decided to remove Terra Classic coin, and we are now hoping for Coinbase to list Terra Classic coin back. So that will be a major problem, because even Coinbase right now, people are mounting pressure on Coinbase. But I believe before the end of this year, Coinbase might start considering listing this coin. And before Coinbase will list Terra Classic, they are going to purchase Terra Classic coin. This is a strategy most crypto exchanges use, which a lot of people don't know, because when they first buy the coin, now list the coin, the news about them listing this coin will push the coin. They will be making money already. Okay, so and we have rumor of Coinbase trying to buy it. So let's keep hope that Coinbase will listen. Let's hope the burning will increase. Let's hope 90% of Terra Classic exchanges that have listed this coin will join Binance and start burning. It is going to help Terra Classic to really grow. It's going to help Terra Classic to hit a massive increase in price. And I'm hoping that the market cap will hit at least $3 or $5 billion before the end of this year. Once again, remember this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.